Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review a brand new chocolate. This chocolate is from Nestle KitKat, the third flavor in their Dessert Delight, which is a divine choco pudding. Earlier in our videos we had reviewed the tempting truffle and heavenly brownie cubes, and today we are going to review the Dessert Delight divine choco pudding flavor of the Nestle KitKat Dessert Delight. And this is the packet here. I'll just show you all the packet. So this is the packet of the KitKat Dessert Delight Choco Pudding, and this is the cream caramel flavored dessert inspiration. So this is the choco pudding is going to have a cream caramel flavor to it. So very different from the other two flavors, which is tempting truffle, which was inspired from a truffle cake, and the rich brownie heavenly brownie cubes, which was inspired from brownies. This is a new dessert inspiration chocolate here, the choco pudding, which is inspired from caramel pudding, and it has a cream caramel flavor to it. So can't wait to taste this right now. So before we get to the taste, let's look at the packaging of the product. So first of all, in the packaging we can see the Nestle branding right here on top. We have the Nestle branding, the KitKat branding right here. Then there's the Dessert Delight branding given here from the KitKat here. Then here we have the name of the product, which is Divine Choco Pudding, mentioned here. And in the illustration they have shown the two KitKat bars here, KitKat fingers, and some caramel being flown around here, around the chocolate, which is seen here. Now coming to the packaging, they have used the original KitKat bread along with the yellow for the caramel flavor. So they have used the yellow color to show the caramel flavor here. In their previous packaging they had used dark brown for the heavenly brownie cubes and light blue for the tempting truffle flavor. So very different packaging for each of the flavors. They have kept the packaging very different and unique to each of the flavors, and so very creatively done and very nicely packaged. Gives it a very premium look and feel. So yeah, this chocolate bar serves like 3 cubes of the KitKat Divine Choco Pudding, gives you an energy of 55 kcal, which is very low. And right here on the sides we have the KitKat tagline, that is have a break, have a KitKat. On the other side we can see the Nestle KitKat branding, the Dessert Delight branding, and name of the product. On the back of the packet we can see the nutritional information given here. The ingredients are mentioned here, the FSAI license number here. It's a complete vegetarian product, so vegetarian mark given here. And this is a 50-gram pack. The net weight of this is 50 grams, and it is priced at ₹55. So the MRP of the KitKat Dessert Delight Divine Choco Pudding is ₹55 for a 50-gram chocolate bar. So that is the price, and it is very nicely placed at a premium offering of at ₹55. So they are premiumly priced, the KitKat Dessert Delight. And yeah, this was all about their packaging. It looks very premium. The packaging looks quite nice. It comes in a cardboard box, and like any other KitKat Dessert Delight, there will be inside there will be a separate packaging, I hope, for this as well. Coming to the shelf life of the product, the shelf life of the product is 12 months from manufacturing date. So the shelf life is 12 months. And let's go ahead and open the box. So here we have opened the box. We'll just unbox it. And like all other KitKat Dessert Delight, this one also comes in a golden wrapper inside, into a golden foil wrapping here. And let's go ahead and wrap it right now. So here we have the golden wrapper. Just tear it open. And this also, it looks like there are 12 cubes in total, like the other Dessert Delights. It has a sweet smell of caramel. The bar itself has a sweet smell of caramel and chocolate. And you can see that it has a KitKat branding all over the bar. And now I'm just going to quickly break a finger out and take a cube out of it. So So here you can clearly see that there are like three chocolate wafers inside the bar, and it is coated with chocolate and caramel. So let's go ahead and do the taste test for the KitKat Choco Pudding from KitKat Dessert Delight Choco Pudding. So here it goes. Very different from the other Dessert Delight flavors, which are heavenly brownie cubes and the chocolate truffle, tempting truffle. This clearly has a very distinct taste of caramel in it. It reminds you of having a caramel pudding, very much. Caramel and chocolate going well, the flavors are binding well in it, and a really nice taste. I think this is one of my favorite flavors in the Dessert Delight variation of the KitKat. So it has a very nice caramel flavor. If you are a big fan of caramel, you are gonna love this flavor. If you all like caramel custard, you all like caramel pudding, then you will surely like KitKat Choco Pudding because it has that caramel flavor in it and it is really nice. So I'll give this flavor a 5 on 5 for the flavor, keeping it subtle with the caramel flavor, the caramel aroma of the chocolate, and overall feel of the chocolate is very nice, very rich flavored chocolate dishes. I'll give it a 5 on 5 for the KitKat Dessert Delight Choco Pudding. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing chocolate reviews.